Oh, we got Nathan.
Take! Okay, take on! Rappel on!
Well, I have to like jump
Lean!
to get the right. Like hey, want to take out some slack? Sorry.
Nicely done, dude.
John, you like it here?
Huh?
You like it here?
Yes.
Jason? Shoes good?
Yeah. A lot better than mine. Well, mine are just too tight. These ones don't hurt.
That's okay. These are 11s.
Those are 9s.
Oh. It's okay.
We'll see how fast I can climb this one now. That one I can just climb in 2 seconds. That one's easy.
You polishing it?
McClain, you need somebody to help you? You're still in self-arrest. Oh wait, that's him up there. I can't tell you guys apart.
They're playing each other, which is...
That's great. You gotta play and take care of each other. Okay, who else wants to climb?
I want to do this one.
Okay.
Still not tired of the arms.
1, 2, 3.
Dang.
4, 5. Where's Kevin? You wanna go? You got it?
Your boy sleep. Look, I've got a little bit faster.
Here's most.
I waited for him to catch up. Oh, I could have gone a little bit faster, but I waited for him to catch up. I think I'm showing tonight.
I was a little concerned. When I started going, I was like,
Look at, I'm Kevin. I get 10 hours of sleep in 3 days.
well, I mean, like,
I see you and
I
there's
smile.
I'm holding the rope is sliding. There's nothing I can do. Like, okay, just a second, let me start climbing.
I didn't know. Well, he got it, didn't
There, finally I feel it. Ah, I don't like that.
Take a picture of the narrator.
That's some spicy meatball.
Dave doing the...
No.
We rocked down on the way down, man.
You see some of the tunes on there? The McClants were thoroughly disgusted last night. They're going to probably want to change cars. They hated every song we played.
Eagles,
Slack when I go
Dan
out?
Fogelberg,
I'm taking up all the slack.
Oh, Paul Simon, man. So you just might have to put him on that. This is all his stuff. We got Megadeth, baby.
You got Megadeth?
That's wait, 150 rides? That's it?
What he's doing about 60 days.
Partially because we can get in here at 60 miles an hour.
March it! March it!
Huh?
attention, Ruth. Don't ever talk to somebody.
You're belaying, you belay. Focus everybody else out. That person's life is in your hands.
You got it? Sorry to be a jerk, but don't do that again.
Yeah.
There we go, we made it.